Hey guys, just wanted to talk to you. I just finished getting through all my older jewelry. I have a big pile of donations. I got through the jewelry thing that was on the back of my door that I showed you this morning. Still got to go through the map table, but my husband said he doesn't think we have time to take it over to donate, so I might not get through it today. Keep me in your prayers, guys. I'm drinking my shake. I just need your prayers. I think the enemy's all over me. Right? And my barn manager texted me and says they need a different kind of lead with the chain that can go over their nose because they're kind of dangerous taken out every day. So I said, buy whatever, put it on my tab. It's like... And then she wanted to know if we wanted to train them once or twice a week. I said, twice, please. Gotta laugh. Does this make you laugh? It's making me laugh. Puppy's asleep with her head on her snuggle puppy. My other dog's asleep over there. Why can't mommy sleep? Why can't mommy sleep? I swear, it's a dog's life. I work my tail off for my animals. I love you guys. I hope you get a chuckle out of this. I did a video, what do you do when you're stressed? You make a shake, you breathe. You take time to talk to your besties on the internet. If I'm your bestie on the internet, please comment down below. You're my bestie on the internet because I need it today. I need all the positives, vibes, prayers, whatever. I don't care. I need all the positive vibes. Thank God for Cardio Essentials. Thank God for Artheffect. Thank God for Provantage. Thank God for all the products. Thank God for a good chiropractic adjustment. Guys, I'm doing a rampage of appreciation because I fell out of the airplane and I hit the flipping ground. I feel like a pancake. If you do that, this is how you start. When you fall out of the airplane, you just do something that's going to make you feel better. Like making my shake, sitting here talking to you. I'm trying to find a sunny spot. Like, see, I'm trying to find a sunny spot. So find a sunny... Flip, I still can't find a sunny spot. This is me in Maine, always trying to find the sunny spot. Still not the sunny spot. Anyways... You start slow, like you breathe, hold a 4, out a hold a 4, count of 4, in and out. Then you take your good nutrition that'll support your body when you're going through stress. You look at your beautiful puppy that you love so much. Look at your beautiful puppy that you love so much. You give thanks for a beautiful puppy. You give thanks for your horses. You give thanks for a good husband, even though you're both a little stressed, because every time we have to show the house, we both get a little stressed. So here, look, I found the sunny spot. This is a longer video, I don't care. Tell me you're okay with me saying this. Is this getting you through your day? I fell out of the airplane, guys. What does that mean? I fell out of 12D down to 3D like a splat. You guys are my besties on the internet. I hope I'm yours. Comment down below. Claim your blessings, okay? I'll see you guys later. They did send me some more intel, but it's not translatable, so I will get you your intel summary the fastest I can. I don't know when. I just broke my fast. I'm still tired. If you're tired of the Iraqi Dinar thing, join the club. I'm here too. I'm really, really tired. If God doesn't bring it soon, I don't know what I'm going to do. I feel like staying on the floor, right? I might just stay on the floor for a little while and meditate. What do you do when you're stressed? Comment down below. I need some ideas, but I know I journal, I pray, listen to some music sometimes, but I'm too tired to dance around the house. I'm just saying. Bye. Talk to you later. Comment down below. What do you do? Bye.